So I just took this out of
Mommy, can we do this?
the microwave. I put it on for 90 minutes.
We're gonna do this on TV later.
And there's it. It's goo. I think I already mentioned it. So I put it in there. And then when I just got it, when it ended, it just went in the fire. So I'm gonna turn it this way. You guys can't see my head. So I think it's not really hot, so I'm gonna take it out. Oh, that's hot. So I should try stuff out first. So this is what it is. Oh, right here. Cause this was froze. So I think I'm gonna go get a paper plate and put it on there. So I'm gonna pour it on. So I'm gonna go get the top and be right back.
Mom, I need glasses.
I'm gonna try to touch it one more time.
Now you want me to read it to you?
It's like, what's squishy, like, I'm gonna pick it up like that. See the like smoke coming out of it. Feels weird. Like feels like a creature that's like feels like a warm-blooded creature. It actually feels weird. So how to make this is get colorful glitter, means get any kind of glitter any kind of color glitter that you need and want. And then you should get glue, borax, a bowl, toothpaste, soap. Wait, no, not toothpaste, soap. I think that's all you need. Well, this is hot, and hopefully it'll be alright. And some of the juice might come out. This is really glittery, as you can see. So